I almost forgot to move my microphone so it's easier for me to be heard. Alright, welcome back, 8th grade. So, in this one, we're just talking about how to set up an equation from a word problem when it could be distributive or needing to combine like terms. So, we're going to write down what we know, right? And just like the last time we did one of these, when it comes to word problems, go to the question. What is the cost of one shirt? Right? So we want to know how much does a t-shirt cost, right? T-shirt, money, don't know. Okay? What do we know? We know that Martha took her niece and nephew to a concert, so that's just filler information that lets us know what's going on. She buys t-shirts and bumper stickers for them, so there's 2 items, right? Bumper stickers cost $1 each, so I'm going to call them BS for now. Sorry. $1 each. We already talked about that. That normally means multiplication. Martha's niece wants 1 shirt. So the niece wants 1 shirt and 4 bumper stickers. And her nephew wants 2 shirts. Okay. But no bumper stickers. And then Martha spends... there it is. She spends a total of $67. Alright, so what that tells us is we definitely have an equal $67. Quick and simple, right? When we're reading it, it may not be clear what our constant is, but our constant's going to be that bumper sticker. Because we know that we get each bumper sticker for $1. So the way we're going to set it up is actually we're going to put the niece, what she wants, plus what the nephew wants to get, right? And that's going to equal 67. So the niece wants 1, I'm going to call it T for t-shirt, right? Plus 4 bumper stickers at $1 each, which would be $4. Plus what the nephew wants, which is just 2 t-shirts. And that is all going to equal 67. Right? Sometimes it is nice when we're doing equations from word problems to write it in words. And not necessarily all words, but like the fact that we're taking what the niece wanted plus what the nephew wanted, it was going to equal $67. And then we could plug in what we knew about what each of them wanted. From here, we're just solving. So, combine like terms, right? 1T and 2T would be a total of 3 t-shirts and 4 bumper stickers at $67. So now we've got a 2-step equation. I'm going to subtract the $4 the bumper stickers would cost. I'd be left with the fact that 3 t-shirts cost us $63. And divide by 3. So a t-shirt costs us $21 each. And she's getting off with a good fair deal because I went to the Imagine Dragons concert and spent more than $21 for a t-shirt. So anyway, just kind of keep that in mind. Again, I find it very helpful that when I can't highlight and circle stuff, that I write what I know off to the side. And I know that I can highlight and circle stuff, but I'm showing you how I would do it if I was working from Math Excel and I needed to keep track of what I knew and did not know and how to set it up from there. So, until next time, 8th grade. Deuces.